Get traffic with YouTube. How to get traffic to your website using YouTube. Are you still stuck on the old idea that you can only get visitors to your website by spending a big chunk of money on a pay-per-click campaign or lots of time writing articles? If you are, then this is the best time to expand your online marketing reality. Generating free traffic for a website is not that hard if you know what you're doing. As more people are joining the social media networking sites, the marketing buzz created by popular social media sites can reach millions of potential visitors across the globe. Here's some ideas on how to generate traffic using YouTube to start you off on the right track. Now, one thing you can do is you can create short video that describes the product, service, or brand that you're promoting, or create a tutorial video that highlights a product or service on your website. Another thing you can do is be the first to upload a potential viral video that can generate thousands of views within a very short period of time. It can be a super funny video, a new movie trailer, or the latest celebrity spoofs. Take the time to set up correctly the details of your video so that the search engines and your potential viewers can find it easily. Make sure you really use your keywords when you're setting up your description and your title. The title of your video is a decisive factor, so make sure that the exact keyword that you're targeting can be found in the title at least once. In the description field, the first line should contain your website URL. You should make it easy for your viewers to click on this link by putting it at the beginning. The tags of your video should also have the list of keywords that you wish to rank for, and the description should also have those keywords. Now remember that a video thumbnail is the first image that is displayed in the video list. It has the power to attract a potential viewer to click on your video. It's a good strategy to select a video thumbnail that has a strong appeal to your target audience. YouTube will automatically select a thumbnail for you, but it might not be the best representation of your video, so you might want to change that. As you upload more videos in YouTube, which are going to be linked back to your website, you'll see a significant increase in your traffic as time goes on. Getting traffic really is easy when using YouTube.